Okay, this video will show you step-by-step guide on how to enable dark mode on Facebook. You might want to enable this mode for various reasons, maybe for personal preferences, you love the black theme, or maybe you want to reduce the impact of light from the light mode. Whatever the reason, this video will give you step-by-step guide that will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. Okay, you can clearly see that there is a Facebook account with the light mode enabled. Remember, light mode is the default mode, but we want to change this light mode into a darker mode. Okay, what do? Click on these three bars at the top. Now locate settings and privacy. Under setting and privacy, you will see dark mode. Just turn it on. Okay. I want to give you a bonus tip. Just click on this data saver mode so that you minimize the amount of data you use on your phone. Thank you guys. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. And again, you can comment so that I can know if you have any issue or if you have any concern that you might want me to address in the next video. Thank you guys for staying loyal.